Hello everyone, I am Sana Sheikh from ZSCT Thakur Narayan Degree College. Okay, so I would like to present my conference topic, that is innovative approaches to logistics and supply chain management, even overcoming emerging challenges. So let's start. Abstract. In today's global commerce, supply chain management and logistics face both challenges and opportunities, driven by rapid technological advancement and globalization. Managing the complex flow of capital, information, and goods has become increasingly vital for maintaining competitive edges. And this study dwells into three core elements essential for resilient and sustainable supply chain, highlighting the role of digital transformation through technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things to enhance the decision making and streamline processes. Further, the study majorly focuses on supply chain resilience in examining strategies that enable companies to withstand disruptions and adapt swiftly. Through diverse case studies and literature, it offers a practical roadmap for navigating many complexities of modern supply chain. So, the main keywords are logistics and supply chain management, digital transformation, blockchain, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things. Let's start with a small introduction. The main focus is on the foundation of global trade, how it had evolved from the traditional methods to tech-driven ecosystem. Technologies like AI, blockchain, and Internet of Things are major efficiency and security in supply chain. So as per the different environmental changes, sustainability it's now critical alongside the growing need for resilient network. So this paper mostly explored how the interplay of technology, sustainability, and resilience shapes today's supply chain challenges and opportunities. So while conducting this research, there are two problems stated. The first one is challenges facing supply chain management, disruption, sustainability concern, and the second one is impact of digital transformation on supply chain management. Now, so as per the problem, I have stated two objectives. The first one is to evaluate the present and upcoming difficulties in supply chain management and logistics, including pressures from sustainability, technology advancement, and disruption from the world event. And the second objective is to examine how supply chain resilience and efficiency can be improved by using technologies like automation, blockchain, Internet of Things, and also artificial intelligence. ROL, that is review of literature, the literature basically surrounding supply chain management and logistics, which highlight the three major things which is very essential to modernizing the field. And so these themes are widely explored by many scholars and industry leaders, providing valuable insights into current trends and challenges. So scope of the study. Basically, this study explores innovative strategies and technologies to address key issues in logistics and supply chain management, including disruptions, globalization effect, sustainability demands, and digital transformation challenges, using a descriptive exploratory approach. And it also identifies key innovations and examines how they help overcome industry challenges. And for conducting this research, basically, when we talk about research methodology, the study relies heavily on secondary data sourced from a diverse range of recent literature, including academic journals, industry reports, case studies, and white paper. This literature provides insights into best practices, case studies of successful implementation, and expert analysis on cutting edge technologies like blockchain, AI, and IoT, that is Internet of Things. So I have started this research with digital logistic transformation. The very first one is technological development, where the logistics sector is being transformed by technologies like AI, blockchain, and Internet of Things. AI improves the demand forecasting, which helps to reduce overstock and also stock out, streamlining inventory, lowering cost. Additionally, AI-driven predictive analytics and automation enhance decision making. Internet of Things enables real-time shipment tracking, providing insights on location, temperature, and more through the supply chain. The second one, implementing digital solution. Adopting digital solutions requires strategic planning, data protection, and workforce upskilling. Business often prioritize phased rollouts in the key areas, effectively managing resources and risk. Fostering a digital culture through training and engaging stakeholders ensures a smooth transition. Results and case study. Uh, for this research, I have taken a small case study where a success story shows how the impact of digital transformation had taken place. A retail chain leveraged that is AI for accurate demand forecasting, cutting inventory cost, while a global logistic provider used Internet of Things to improve tracking, visibility, and customer experience. And these cases demonstrate how digital transformation drives competitive advantage in a tech-driven market. So as per this mitigation and resilience, there are three forms. The first one is we need to identify the risk. Okay. After identifying risk, it is very important to build resilience. And this I have explained with a case study. And as you can see in this diagram, a framework for the strategizing supply chain risk mitigation. First, we need to understand the risk threshold. We need to define the boundary conditions. We need to identify critical partners, trade-off management, agree on funding model, and ready to start the project. So when we talk about case study, here I have taken the real world example demonstrate effective risk and resilience. Especially after the COVID, during COVID-19, even we can say that there are many companies who are find different alternative and supplier which has shifted to the regional inventory. Okay, so again, during that time also, it was very important using technology so that logistic can run smoothly. So next one is cooperative supply chain. As we can see the raw material, how raw material we need to produce constant, then it gets transferred, distribute, retail, and finally it reaches to our customer. So in the best world, individual business units cooperate and receive only payment when final customer pays. So in this way, inventory is greatly reduced. Quick delivery and response to changes possible. When we talk about cooperative methods for supply chain, the first one is importance of collaboration. Collaboration is very important. So for collaboration, we need many collaboration tools. And as due to this collaboration tools, there are many benefits as well as there are many challenges. As we can see this diagram where supply chain models are there, which is very important for continuous flow model, efficient supply chain model, custom configured model, fast chain model, agile model, and flexible model. So impact of real-time collaboration because of cooperative methods for supply chain. What is the main impact? The main impact is it improves the transparency and trust, better resilience and escalation control, holistic data management and areas, and reduce cost and which lead to higher profitability and strategic planning and proactive roadmaps. Even with the help of creative models of logistics, the first one we can see the model is resilient and agile network. Well, we can see with this diagram how there are different agile networks. See, retail logistics. First, there is large manufacturers, economy of scale, and then it goes to regional warehouses and then retail stores or mall. The second one is smart logistics. When we use technology in logistics, it goes on demand order, then small and large manufacturer, and then agile transportation, and then distribution center, and then consumer, and again feedback. As per the feedback, again it reverse logistic took place. The next model is circular supply chain. Materials, manufacturer, distribution center, final destination again waste, and again after being waste, it again started reverse logistic, recycle or reuse. So this goes on continuous in a circular form. That's what is known as circular supply chain. Collaborative logistics ecosystem. When we talk about collaborative, as we have mentioned earlier, there are many benefits as well as challenges for the collaboration. Here we can see when we talk about collaborating, after collaborating, our main objectives get fulfilled. There are differences you can see over here, shipper and customer. Between it, there is transportation management and warehouse management. Transportation management, order management, then it goes to transportation planning, it goes to transportation execution, and then freight settlement. Even when we talk about warehouse management, inbound storage and operation and outbound processing. Okay, and so this goes on continuous. As much as possible, we need to collaborate so that our function can go smoothly. So finally, conclusion, as we when we talk about, already we have discussed with the challenges, again we have discussed about the models, which is very important. Okay, so this study underscores the vital roles for digital transformation, sustainability and resilience in modern supply chain management technologies like blockchain, AI, internet of things, which enhance the supply chain efficiency, security, and transparency. So, sustainability is also highlighted for both environmental as well as financial stability. Additionally, the need for resilient, adaptable network is crucial, as per the recent global disruption have shown. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much.